Ever wondered how that ceaseless throbbing in your chest keeps you alive? It's a marvel of nature, a symphony of science, a testament to the intricacy of human life. Today, we dive deep into the workings of the human heart. Begin with a journey into the heart itself. Picture a hollow, muscular organ, roughly the size of a clenched fist. This is where it all happens. The heart, a tireless worker, pumps blood around your body approximately 100,000 times a day. The heart comprises 4 chambers, 2 at the top known as the atria, and 2 at the bottom called ventricles. The right side of the heart receives deoxygenated blood from the body and pumps it to the lungs. The left side does the opposite. It receives oxygenated blood from the lungs and pumps it out to the body. The journey of blood through the heart starts in a systematic, step-by-step process. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body through 2 large veins, the superior and inferior vena cava. The blood moves into the right ventricle. The right ventricle then contracts, pumping the blood to the lungs via the pulmonary artery. Here, blood drops off carbon dioxide and picks up fresh oxygen in a process known as respiration. Freshly oxygenated, the blood now returns to the heart, entering the left atrium. It then moves into the left ventricle, which contracts and sends the blood out to the body through the largest artery, the aorta. This process, this rhythm, repeats over and over, every second, every minute, every day of your life. The heart, a masterful pump, ensures that every cell in the body receives the oxygen it needs to function and removes the waste products they don't need. To summarize, the heart operates as a double pump system. The right side receives deoxygenated blood from the body and sends it to the lungs for oxygen. The left side receives this newly oxygenated blood and pumps it back out to the body. This 4-chambered marvel, working in perfect harmony, is the cornerstone of life as we know it. It's a testament to the extraordinary complexity and elegance of the human body. So, the next time you feel your heart's rhythm, remember the intricate process happening within. It's not just a beat, but a beautifully orchestrated symphony, sustaining life second by second.